Good morning. I'm sorry I'm not there today. Dave Szymanski and I are both out at E3, the Educator Effectiveness and Evaluation Committee in Point Loma. But this is an important day as we're kicking off our new year and really beginning the planning for next year and beyond in respect to master schedule. So with a little bit of brainstorming and work you're going to begin collaboratively today, I want to make sure you know haven't received anything from our district office yet in regard to budget or staffing projections. We are literally just brainstorming and dreaming about what our future of master schedule could look like. And I want to kick it off this way because, as I've said multiple times this year, we want to do things together collaboratively, not to each other. So my hope and goal is that as much of the master schedule development and implementation as possible is done either with all of us together through leadership team or perhaps even a subcommittee committed to the development and management of master schedule. So this is a first stage, just gathering input. Daniela and Sarah will talk a little bit more about those forms, but what we hope to do with it is take the general notes we collect today to leadership team to spend a little bit of time sifting and organizing, and then there within the next month or so, especially as we begin to get some data from district that will help us really know what we're capable of, we'll organize that, and either leadership team or, as I mentioned, a committee will roll with the development of the schedule. One thing that I've had conversations with many of you about, and I can't remember how much I've mentioned in staff meetings, would be I really want to diversify our elective offering. We may still think about moving through pathways, but we know our kids need more than music and computer science. No offense, Ms. Spencer and Mr. Prairie, but it doesn't meet everyone's needs, and we even want to do a little bit, we hope, with ELD, which we aren't going to be able to get away from probably as an elective, but we think that we can create a more engaging ELD experience regardless of what the adopted materials we are required to implement and use next year may be. Okay, I think that was basically it. I just wanted to have the opportunity to share that with you, and thank you for your time today. We'll see you tomorrow on campus, and I'm going to be probably a little bit of off task at E3, watching the docs as they're developed today, because I'm super excited about the work you're doing. I hope everything goes well. See you tomorrow.